So, a simple blue robotic cat could inspire a wave of creativity that shapes art, design and innovation across the globe. From his iconic look to his futuristic gadgets, Doraemon isn't just a beloved character, he's a cultural phenomenon, influencing today's world in remarkable ways. Until today, Doraemon's unique design and imaginative world have transcended entertainment to become a catalyst for creativity in art, technology and culture. Doraemon isn't just about cool gadgets coming to life. It's about how art and culture inspire innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Doraemon has not only entertained millions, but also ignited imaginations, leading scientists and engineers to turn dreams into reality. A lot of Doraemon inventions have already become today's reality. If not, it inspires today's invention. Doraemon's translation, Konjac, allows characters to understand any language instantly. Sound familiar? Enter real-time translation apps like Google Translate and devices like Pocketalk or Time Kettle earbuds that can translate speech on the fly. They are breaking down language barriers, just like Doraemon's gadget, making global communication more accessible. Who wouldn't want to take Copter, the propeller you wear on your head to fly anywhere? While we might not have head-mounted propellers, drones have become commonplace for photography and delivery, and companies are developing jetpacks and personal flying vehicles. Projects like the Jetson One flying car are bringing us closer to personal flight, inching toward Doraemon's vision. Doraemon's gadgets often immerse characters in virtual experiences, like the simulation game machine. Today, AR and VR technologies like Oculus Quest and Microsoft HoloLens allow us to play games, explore virtual worlds, and even conduct remote meetings. They're turning science fiction into tangible experiences, much like Doraemon's adventures. Remember the copying toast, where you could replicate anything by placing it on a slice of bread? Now, 3D printers can create objects from digital models, from toys to prosthetic limbs. It's as if we have our own copying machines at home, revolutionizing manufacturing and creativity. Doraemon's dress-up camera could instantly change a person's outfit with a simple click. Today, we have smart mirrors and virtual fitting rooms that allow us to virtually try on clothes without physically wearing them. Wearable technology like smartwatches and fitness trackers integrates seamlessly into our daily attire, much like the convenient gadgets from Doraemon's pocket. The fusion of fashion and technology is making our lives more connected and personalized. Ever been hungry and wished food could appear instantly? Doraemon's instant food machines could produce meals on demand. While we haven't mastered matter creation, 3D food printers are a reality, creating edible items by layering ingredients based on digital recipes. Innovations like the Foodini printer are paving the way for customized on-demand meals, echoing Doraemon's culinary conveniences. Doraemon's gadgets aren't just entertaining, they spark imagination. Engineers and scientists who grew up watching the show are now turning those wild ideas into reality. For instance, the development of wearable tech like smartwatches echoes Doraemon's wrist-mounted gadgets. The series inspires innovators to think beyond current limitations. Creators like Fujio envision technology solving everyday problems in fun, creative ways. This vision influences how we approach technology today, emphasizing user-friendly designs. Companies like Apple and Google focus on sleek, intuitive products, mirroring the seamless integration of gadgets in Doraemon's world. Doraemon's global reach spreads these innovative ideas worldwide. In countries like Japan, China, and beyond, the series has inspired technological pursuits. Collaborative projects in robotics and AI often draw from the playful yet functional designs seen in the show, promoting a universal language of innovation. By presenting technology as friendly and helpful, Doraemon reduces the fear of the unknown. This positive portrayal encourages society to embrace new technologies like AI assistants, Siri, Alexa, and robotic helpers, seeing them as allies rather than threats.
From San Jose, probably from where you were born in Silicon Valley.
Wonderful. Where do you live in San Jose? Do you live in Mountain Valley, or do you live in the Santa area?
No, I live in Los Gatos.
Los Gatos. Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Very nice area.
Episodes frequently show the consequences of misusing gadgets, teaching viewers about responsibility. For example, when Nobita abuses a gadget, it often leads to chaos, emphasizing that technology should be used wisely, a lesson relevant in today's discussions about data privacy and AI ethics. Doraemon ignites interest in science and technology among young audiences. Many engineers and scientists credit the series for their career paths. Educational programs and workshops sometimes use Doraemon-themed materials to make learning about robotics and engineering more engaging. What if the real power of Doraemon lies not in his gadgets, but in his ability to inspire collective imagination? Could the series be a catalyst accelerating technological progress by planting seeds of possibility in the minds of dreamers and creators around the world? Maybe Doraemon isn't just a character, but a symbol of innovation's potential when fueled by creativity and hope. From translation devices to food replicators, Doraemon's once fantastical gadgets are becoming part of our reality, showcasing the profound impact of art and culture on technological advancement. The series reminds us that today's fiction can become tomorrow's innovation. So let's keep dreaming, imagining, and creating. The future is in our hands.